Alright, so the plan this weekend was to hike the Alum Rock South Rim Trail. So come, join me as I explore this new trail. And here we are at the entrance of the trail, and the gates haven't opened yet. So we got to wait for some time. So we planned to turn around, take a round, and come back again. And here we can see that these folks have parked on the road and walking to the trail. But we're not going to do that. And now we are about to see that somebody got late for the hike. And here it is. And finally, after roaming around for a bit, we came back to the entrance of the trail. And oh boy, we had a big queue in front of us. And as they say, patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. So we decided to wait. And now is the time to get on this trail and start our hike.
Somebody stay there. I think that's okay. Yeah, come straight. Yeah. You wish. No climbing, right? I don't know. Yeah. First thing. Goodbye. Everywhere. Once it together means what is something else is coming.
And this is where we have parked our car and came up so far.
I thought of USB to mount this. That's the road that is on it. Similar to that. Yeah, I think we took it from up there, right? Oh yeah, you can see the steeper. See one flight? Yeah.
And now we're done with the hiking for this weekend, and it's time to go back home.